guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back again with another banger. And of course, I love to come on here and just talk to you guys and just gist with you guys because wait, hold up, let me bring this front. Y'all are my person. Today I'm going to be shooting like a haul, like a mini haul video. So your girl has been buying things and I just want to come in here and show you guys, you know. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So I did like a jewelry haul from a particular Instagram vendor. I'm not going to be telling you her name because our customer service was, first of all, it was terrible. Like, I was so frustrated. Before I got my products like after 2+ weeks that I had ordered them. So and I'm just going to be showing them to you. So first I got this jewelry, this one. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. The light is reflecting in it, but in case you can see it, got this very beautiful piece. I love it. I'll show you a picture of it. You understand? This beautiful piece. So first I want to say most of the items I got is not exactly, you know, how the pictures that they send. Like, I like them quite alright, they're okay, but like not exactly what you saw them display in the picture, but we move. So, and I got this is a pack of 4 jewelry in one. Like, it looks like this, comes in wait, let me just bring it out. Like, it's like a 4 jewelry in one. Yeah, I guess 4 jewelry in one. Can you see? So this beauty is very pretty, I think. Next I got this popular, like, this is trending on social media. I think everybody is literally getting, I think one of the earrings is out, I guess. I don't know, fallout, I can't be looking for it right now. So this, in case you want to see what it looks like in person, I'm just showing you. Yeah, so this is all over social media. Just like, okay, let me just buy it, why not? So these are some rings. Like, I could just show you some of it. Like, this comes in like some knuckle rings. I'm going to show you what they look like 13-piece knuckle ring, in case you're ready to see. And another one is this. This is like a 3-step necklace. I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like a 3-step necklace, in case you can see. I'm going to insert the picture somewhere so you can see what it looks like. But this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. And then there's one more I got, but it's not here right now because they've not delivered it yet. I'm going to insert the picture of that one here. You probably see me wear it in one of my YouTube videos. Besides that, got a pair of contact lens. I got a pair of contact lens, you know. This is like the green color, if you can see it. And I pretty much not opened it yet, because you know, I'm interested in seeing. I've not opened it yet. Comes with the eye disinfectant, yeah, an eye drop, and I have a video on contact lens down below. So this is my second pair of contact lens, by the way, because I don't really like it. I always have issues. Next up, I'm going to be showing you bags. This beautiful baby, like this beautiful baby. I really like this bag. It was thrifted. I got it in thrift. It's a Gucci Mammoth bag. I'll show you. I'll insert the picture of what it looks like. Gucci Mammoth, but it's thrifted, so it's not exactly new because it's very costly. Like, price of this is really high, but you can get it for like 50,000 naira when you buy it thrifted, or less, depending on who is your vendor. Yeah, I'm not about to tell you guys any vendor, because please don't come and say Victoria asked you to go and buy there. Then next up, I'm going to be showing you this. This is really beautiful also. This is like a Balenciaga bag, and it's really nice. So side by side together, these beautiful babies. Who doesn't like a pair of black bags like that? Really nice, comfy and exciting. So this. And by the way, before I go, it was my baby boy that got this for me. Like, someone got them for me. Before the person watches the video and say, Mimasi, she's lying, someone bought it for me. Like, yeah, a guy, in case you're that nosy. So next up, you will notice that we have a lapel mic in the house. Lapel mic, like you guys see, can you see that I've upgraded? I'm using a lapel mic, and this is what it looks like when you buy it. This is like the casing, what it comes with. I'm already using it right now, so I can't really show you this, but you can see it if I can zoom into my shirt. And it's, let me bring it closer. Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vimati. Can you hear how crisp that is? So got a lapel mic, and this is very important for a YouTuber. If you're a YouTuber, you need to have one of these. Okay, then finally, next I'm going to be showing you guys, and the final thing I'm going to show you guys are these Zara Slippers. They're really nice. Also, it was gifted. It was someone that bought it, but I'm just showing you guys, like, because I really like it. I've worn it like once or twice. I just thought to show it to you guys. Really nice pair of slippers, and they kind of have moles there. And I think this was for like 12k. This was for 12,000. You most likely see me be rocking all these things in pictures and videos. So guys, let me know if you would like me to do a clothing haul, because sometimes I do shop for clothes and I'm not so consistent enough to come and show you guys. Like, I just got this outfit and this outfit. So let me know if you would like to see like a clothing haul video. Please comment like down below. And guys, see, my nails is a mess. Like, my nails are a mess, so just ignore it throughout this video. So that's gonna be it today on my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to keep coming back for more and more and more exciting videos, and I'm going to see you guys later. Bye. Hello, Chocho. Yes, we have an upgraded YouTuber in the house. Oh my god, guys, I'm feeling myself. Bye.